Is your iPhone's portrait mode not working as it should? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue and get your portrait mode working again. Let's dive right into the solutions. Solution 1. Enable lens correction. Open setting, scroll down, tap camera setting, scroll down. Now turn on the lens correction. Clean the camera lens. Take a soft, lint-free cloth. Gently clean the camera lens to remove any dust or smudges. Now try using portrait mode again. After that, restart the camera app. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen or double-click the home button to open the app switcher. Find the camera app and swipe it up to close it. Reopen the camera app and check if portrait mode is working. Solution 2. Update iOS. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. After updating, check if portrait mode is functioning properly. Solution 3. Reset all settings. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset all settings. Confirm by tapping Reset all settings again. Your settings will be reset, but your data won't be lost. Test portrait mode after this. Solution 4. Contact Apple support. If none of these solutions work, it might be a hardware issue. Contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for further assistance. So that's how you can fix portrait mode not working on your iPhone. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching.